So this is our first church. Second church, third church, church number 4, fifth church, sixth church, seventh church. What's up mga ka-LV Labeled Vlogs, and for today's video, samahan nyo kami sa aming bisita iglesia and Stations of the Cross. So bali 7 churches ang aming pupuntahan dito sa Nueva Ecija. 2 stations every church. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and notification bell para naman ma-notify ka sa aking mga susunod na upload. Ayan, tingnan natin yung mga churches dito sa Nueva Ecija. Nakarating na kami sa aming first destination here sa San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. This is the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of St. Anthony. So sa first church namin is St. Anthony Abad. San Antonio Abad dito sa San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. So ito yung church at binigyan nila kami pagdating namin sa church. Binigyan kami ng ang tawag dito, prayer card ng San Antonio Abad. So magkaiba pala si St. Anthony de Padua at St. Anthony Abad. So this is our first church and first 2 stations of the cross. Second church, St. Augustine ng Jaen. Diocesan Shrine of the Immaculate Conception, St. Augustine Parish dito sa Jaen, Nueva Ecija. So ito yung facade niya. Ayan. So ayan, nasa loob tayo ng second church, which is the St. Augustine dito sa Jaen, Nueva Ecija. So ayan, yung kanilang altar. Naka-station 3 and 4 na kami rito. So meron pa kaming 10 stations to go sa iba't iba pang simbahan. So let's go! And we're here at the third church of our Visita Iglesia and Station of the Cross here at the Minor Basilica and National Shrine of La Virgen Divina Pastorang Haba. So hindi ko kabisado, pero this is the church. So stations 5 and 6 sa Station of the Cross. So dito lang yan sa Gapan, if I'm not mistaken, Gapan, Nueva Ecija. Okay, church number 4, parokya ng Santo Cristo dito sa General Tino, Nueva Ecija, station 7 and 8. Station 7 and 8 dito sa General Tino. So, halos walang nag-ibisita iglesia. Hindi ko alam ba't ito ba dahil ba malayo or takachamba lang. So, pasok na tayo. Okay, for the 5th church and for the 9th, 10th station, St. Jude Tadeus. So, naligaw pa kami. Kasi iba yung tinuturo ni Waze, iba yung tinuturo ni Google Maps. So ayun, mainit. So kain tayo ng scramble. They scramble.
Dalawa 20 pa po, sir? Opo, dalawa pa. Mamaya sa'yo. Hindi ka mag-siya?
Init, so mag-scramble tayo. 6th church, second to the last station, 11 and 12. So, nandito kami ngayon sa St. Rose of Lima. St. Rose of Lima Church, Nueva Ecija pa rin. So, ito yon. So this is our last church, last station, 7th church, St. Nicholas of Tolentine Cathedral.
And that is the end of our Visita Iglesia 2024. See you next year at Visita Iglesia 2025.